everyone, I'm Shagun and you are watching me on Learn English with Jay. As we all know, Dussehra is approaching, so I'm going to deliver a speech on Dussehra. If you have participated in any speech or essay writing competition, then this video will definitely help you a lot. So जब आप स्पीच बोलने जाएंगे तो आप ऐसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. Good morning to all of you, respected principal ma'am, worthy teachers and all my dear friends. We all know that we are gathered here for the auspicious occasion of Dussehra. So, अब मैं आपके सामने ये स्पीच इंग्लिश में बोलूँगी. अगर आप इसको याद करने के लिए रिटन फॉर्म में लेना चाहते हैं तो आप हमें टेलीग्राम ऐप पे फॉलो कर सकते हैं और वहाँ से रिटन फॉर्म डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. सो अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा और ये आपके किसी भी काम आया या आपको अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा. Dussehra is culture and traditional festival everybody must know. In schools and colleges, essay writing competitions are organized to enhance the knowledge and skills of students. Dussehra is 9 nights and 10 days long festival. It marks the victory of goodness over evils, such as the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana and the victory of Goddess Durga over Mahishasura. India is famous for its culture and tradition, fairs and festivals. It is also known as country of fairs, where every festival is celebrated with great joy and faith. The festival of Dussehra is declared as gusted holiday by the government of India to allow people to enjoy fully this festival. The meaning of Dussehra is the victory of Lord Rama over 10-headed demon king Ravana. It falls every year in month of September or October before 20 days of Diwali. There are two main stories behind the celebration of Dussehra festival. The one story is associated with Lord Rama and other with the goddess Durga. It marks the victory of goodness over evils. In ancient times, Prince Rama was exiled of his kingdom of Ayodhya for 14 years to the forest. During last year of his exile, Ravana kidnapped his wife Sita. It is said that Lakshmana had cut the nose of Ravana's sister Surpanakha to take the revenge. He kidnapped the Lakshmana's sister-in-law Sita. According to Hindu scriptures, it is said that Lord Rama had performed the Chandi Pujan to impress the goddess Durga and get the blessings. In this way, Rama got the victory by knowing the secret of Ravana's killing on 10th day of war. Finally, he retained his wife Sita safely by killing Ravana. A huge fair of Ram Leela takes place in Ram Leela ground and people from different regions come to see the fair and the dramatic representation of Ram Leela. In fact, the main message is victory of goodness over evil and the success of truth over lies. So, happy Dussehra to all! सो ये मेरा पहला यूट्यूब वीडियो था. अगर आपको ये पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट करना मत भूलना और नीचे रेड कलर का सब्सक्राइब बटन है उसको भी दबा देना. और अगर आप मेरे और वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे लाइक ऐप पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे मेरी आईडी है शगुन. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. मीट यू अगेन सून. बाय बाय.